Hello everyone, myself Teja Kumar and I am a student of Gate Academy. At first, I have come across the Gate Academy in YouTube. I have seen the few lectures in YouTube and the few problems which are explained by the Gate Academy faculty in YouTube. Umesh Zande sir have explained the previous question paper problems in YouTube, and after that few days my friend have said that Umesh Zande sir have started a live class Gate Academy. In that I have taken analog electronics by Dande sir. After having that subject, I decided to have full course and I have taken 2 years VOD course. 2 years VOD course has been taken by me. You guys can observe here. This is the Gate Academy e-lectures for VOD courses. Here, this is the e-lectures. If we select this e-lectures, we gonna have the subjects, and I am a ECE student, so that these are the subjects being appeared in the screen. Let's select one of the subject. I am selecting control systems. You guys can observe here, and the quality of this video can be also selected. Here comes the hero Umesh Zande sir, and we can select the quality of the video 1080p, 720p, etc. And this is the playback speed. This is the playback. We can select the playback speed also. If we want this, sorry, if we want the speed can be reduced and the playback speed also can be increased.
Hello everyone.
At what want let us select 2x. It is very speed. It makes us to revision very faster, and we can select also the volume, and if we select this, we have saved the video and etc. After the completion of the video, if we mark that, it means we have completed that video. And I have allowed this because you guys can see here and PDF manner. If we select this, we gonna have a YouTube.
ये वर्कबुक का क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 और
We gonna have problems at the same time. Workbook examples, you guys can see here workbook question number 10 and question number 11. There is no need of book to keep us near us. We can see on the direct on online workbook number 10 and workbook question number 11. We can see here down, and we by seeing these problems, and we can have the lectures at a time. This Gate Academy app is very high secured. You guys can see here. I'm trying to take the screenshot. It means you couldn't capture the screenshot, and this is the designing of this app is very really awesome. Basically, I'm a basic student and I have enjoyed this course a lot. I am enjoying this course a lot because the basic concept also has been explained in a easier way, and makes a toughest concept also in a easier way. When it comes to this VOD, this is really great because the designing of this app, which is high secured, and the faculty are really awesome. And you guys can see here e-lectures. If we have any doubts, we gonna post in these discussions. Recently, you guys can observe the doubts which are posted by the students are being answered in a few hours. And my doubts, I have posted my doubts in recently, and my doubts has been updated in a few hours and solved in a few hours. This is great. The Gate Academy faculty were very responsible about their students. And this is the home screen. We can have live sessions here. Any live sessions regarding and any announcements regarding these Gate Academy courses are being posted here. When comes to these books are really awesome, and the quality of these books and quality of that bag, etc., those are really awesome. If we have any doubt during this previous question problems, we gonna have this book, and which is given by Dande sir and this Gate Academy. This is the volume 2, I think. And in this, if we have any doubt, we gonna have here a scanner. After scanning this, it directly takes us to YouTube, and our doubts has been solved here in a easier way. You guys can observe here. Now I am scanning this scanner. If we press into the go to website, and this directly takes us to YouTube, and our doubts has been solved in a faster way.
Gate Electronics 2015 in the AC equivalent circuit zone. The two BJTs are.
I am South Indian, and after having this course I have learned a very lot of Hindi. अब मैं हिंदी में भी बात करता हूँ, and really this is awesome. Now I have learned a language too in this GATE Academy after having few lectures, and now I can speak in Hindi too. And thank you Dande sir for this GATE Academy courses at low price. We are having a great content and great subject, means it is very awesome. GATE Academy is providing a lot of courses, not only for electronics and communication, for mechanical, civil and electronics, electrical, etc., chemical, and for different departments at a low price. I gonna suggest my friends to have this GATE Academy. If you are GATE aspirants, I would recommend you guys to have GATE Academy lectures to achieve a great ranks in GATE exams. It has been proved by GATE Academy that GATE Academy have got a lot of ranks in GATE exams too. You guys can observe here: GATE 2019, GATE 2028, GATE 2017. AIR ones are GATE Academy aspirants and GATE Academy students. This is really awesome, and thank you.